Did you know? Some car engines can last over 1 million miles without a major failure? Yeah, you heard that right. That's like driving from New York to Los Angeles, over 60 times, and your engine just keeps going like nothing happened. No breakdown. No rebuild. No drama. Just pure mechanical loyalty. Now think about that for a second. Because most people today are worried if their car will even make it past 100,000 miles. We live in a time where check engine lights show up out of nowhere. Repairs cost thousands of dollars. And cars feel more like disposable machines than long-term investments. But what if I told you? There are engines out there, built so well, so over-engineered, that they've literally outlived the cars they were put in? Engines that have survived extreme heat, freezing cold, bad maintenance, even abuse, and still kept running. These aren't just engines. They're legends. And today, we're diving deep into the world of the most durable, most reliable, and most unstoppable car engines ever built. This isn't just for car enthusiasts. This is for anyone who wants a car that won't leave them stranded. Anyone who values reliability over hype. And anyone who understands that true engineering isn't about looking fancy. Backhand index pointing right, it's about lasting forever. Because let's be honest, there is nothing worse than engine failure. 1 second you're driving peacefully. Next second, warning lights everywhere. Overheating. Oil leaks. Weird noises you've never heard before. And suddenly, your wallet is under attack. That's why reliability matters more than anything. A good engine doesn't just save you money. Backhand index pointing right, it saves your time, your stress, and your trust in your car. So today, we're counting down 10 engines that have proven beyond any doubt that they just won't quit. And trust me, some of these will absolutely surprise you. Let's get started. At number 10, we have the legendary Toyota 22R and 22RE. This 2.4-liter inline-4 engine-powered Toyota pickups and 4Runners through the 80s and 90s, and built a reputation that still lives today. Simple, durable, easy to fix. This engine doesn't rely on complicated systems or fragile components. It was built with one purpose: to survive. People have driven these engines through deserts, through freezing conditions, even through water. And somehow, they just keep going. That's why the 22R isn't just respected. Backhand index pointing right, it's trusted. At number 9, we step into performance territory with the Honda K20. Now this engine is something special. Because it combines two things that rarely go together. Backhand index pointing right, high performance, and insane reliability. The K20 is known for its high revving nature, VTC system, and smooth power delivery. You can push this engine hard, take it to the track, modify it, daily drive it, and it still holds up. Many of these engines cross 200,000 miles without major issues. That's not luck. That's precision engineering. At number 8, we have a true workhorse, the Ford 4.9L inline-6, also known as the 300i6. This engine isn't flashy. It's not built for speed. But what it does offer, backhand index pointing right, is unstoppable durability. Used in trucks and vans for decades, this engine became the backbone of hardworking America. Farmers, construction workers, tradesmen, they all relied on it. Why? Because it just doesn't die. 300,000 miles? Easy. With basic maintenance, it just keeps pulling year after year. At number 7, we have the diesel legend, the Mercedes-Benz OM617. This engine is famous worldwide for one reason. Backhand index pointing right, it refuses to break. There are real stories of these engines going beyond 600,000 miles, especially in taxis. Built with a cast iron block and incredibly simple mechanical systems. This engine was designed to last decades. Not years. Decades. At number 6, we enter tuner territory with the Nissan SR20 DE and DT. If you're into drifting or performance builds, you already know this engine. It's famous for handling boost, modifications, and abuse, without falling apart. Even in stock form, it easily crosses 200,000 miles. And when modified, backhand index pointing right, it still holds strong. That's why it became a legend in the tuning world. At number 5, we have an American icon, the Chevrolet small block V8, especially the 350. This engine changed everything. Introduced in 1955, and still relevant today. Why? Because it's simple, powerful, and incredibly reliable. Parts are everywhere. Maintenance is easy. And it can handle serious punishment. This engine has powered muscle cars, trucks, race builds, and decades later, it's still dominating. At number 4, we have the BMW M30 inline-6. Before BMW became known for complexity, they built engines like this. Smooth, strong, and built to last. produced for over 25 years. And many of them have crossed 300,000 miles. This engine represents old-school BMW reliability. At number 3 we have one of the most unique engines ever, the Chrysler Slant 6. Its tilted design wasn't just for looks. It actually contributed to durability and strength. Even when poorly maintained. Even under rough conditions. Backhand index pointing right, this engine keeps running. 500,000 miles? Not uncommon. At number 2 we have a true legend, the Toyota 2JZ GT. If you know cars, you know this engine. It's famous for one thing. Backhand index pointing right being nearly indestructible. People push this engine to insane levels, 800, 1000 horsepower, and it still survives. Stock internals. That's how strong it is. And even without modifications, it easily lasts 300,000 plus miles. Now finally, at number 1, we have the ultimate engine that just refuses to die. The Volvo B230. This engine is built differently. Over-engineered, under-stressed, and designed for longevity above everything else. Found in Volvo 240 and 740 models. These engines regularly cross 500,000 miles. Some even go beyond that. This isn't just reliability. Backhand index pointing right, this is mechanical immortality. And here's the crazy part. All of these engines follow the same philosophy. Simple design. Strong materials. Smart engineering. In a world where cars are getting more complex, more electronic, more fragile, these engines remind us of something important. Backhand index pointing right, the best engineering isn't always the most advanced. It's the one that lasts. So now I want to ask you, what do you think is the most reliable engine ever made? Do you have a car that just won't die? Drop your story in the comments. I read all of them. And if you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and check out the next video on your screen. Because trust me,